Hi, it's Shar Beals. You know what I've been thinking? Executive education is something that all of CTAM members can benefit from. We all want to get smarter faster. Our Cable Executive Management program at Harvard Business School is the crown jewel in our executive education portfolio. We just completed our 16th annual class with 80 high potential cable and media executives benefiting from the fantastic faculty at HBS. They spent a week learning from case studies about real world marketing strategy, customer centricity, digital marketing, and customer care examples, and really did a deep dive to stretch their thinking. This is such an important program, and I hope that if you have an interest in attending the Cable Executive Management program, you inquire relatively soon from your HR department or even your CEO who's involved to find out how to apply and how to make sure your company is budgeted for it, because this is world-class executive education. We also have a new event coming up this year called CTAM Think. CTAM Think is going to focus on innovation. How do you engineer innovation? How do you sustain it in your organization? How do you live through it if you're part of that organization? And we're going to deliver 3 very different points of view. Academic. We have Tom Eisenman from the Harvard Business School, who's been a friend of CTAM for a long time and in fact has taught in the Cable Executive Management program. We have the creative point of view, and we have Tor Myron coming in. He heads Gray New York and has a shelf full of awards for his creativity. And then some real world cases for companies like Southwest Airlines and American Express on how they put engineered innovation in their organization and how they made it successful. And then that'll be followed by our 30th annual Mark Awards celebration. So please mark that on your calendar and take advantage of CTAM Think and the Mark Awards. And that's my 2 cents in 2 minutes.